This was my very first time building my old PC. I was afraid at the beginning, but thanks to my friend, I finally had the courage to do it. It took more than a month for me to get all the components that I wanted at my CPU Ryzen 5900X and my GPU Radeon RX 6800 had just released. I would say I was very lucky since I'm able to get them with the original price. It took around 5 hours more or less for me to complete the build. For me, the most challenging part would be connecting all the cable correctly. But I was freaked out at first, but in the end everything worked out. Then comes the problem with the BIOS version on my motherboard. At first, I didn't know what was going on since everything seemed to work out with my PC except the connection with my monitor. After a couple of hours, we realized that a solid white light on the motherboard which indicated that there is a problem with my CPU. I thought I messed it up with my CPU installation. I was kind of upset about myself, but then my friend found out that because I got a new 5000 series CPU, I needed to flash my BIOS to make it work. Well, for sure, at that moment I had no idea. After reading on Reddit and watching YouTube videos about other users who had the same problem, we finally fixed it. I was so blessed. So that's pretty much my story about building my own PC. I believe you can do it too. Let me know in the comment section below about your experience, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will also include in the description component details and the music I use. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Peace!